Because heaven and hell are not places that you can visit, but they are just states of being that you can feel. When you are lying in bed hitting the snooze button, the work of world-class people has already started. Richard Branson, Shah Rukh Khan, Apple's CEO, Tim Cook, Narendra Modi, and the founder of Twitter as well. All these people are early risers. When we are brushing our teeth, these legends are already ready to showcase their talent to the world because they have woken up 1.5 to 2 hours earlier than us and done something that makes them so much better at their work. They are all engines who wake up every morning before the world to service themselves, and only then do they get on track. It is because of this morning routine that they are called leaders and others are called followers. Every person has the power to become an engine and can lead people according to their own capacity. That's why today I am going to tell you about Robin Sharma's latest book. I will share some important morning routines from the 5 a.m. club that business titans, global leaders, and experts follow. To make yourself world-class, the first morning routine is to apply the 20-20 formula. Lane. After waking up in the morning, our brain is at its sharpest, most active, and freshest, which is why it's the best time to program it. The first hour after waking up is the most important, and Robin Sharma calls it the victory hour. Therefore, during the 60 minutes of the victory hour, we should do 3 activities for 20 minutes each, which will keep us energetic and alert throughout the day. In the 20-20 formula, we need to reflect and grow. So let me tell you what to do and what the benefits are. After waking up at 5 a.m. for the first 20 minutes, we need to exercise and do deep breathing, because this is the most important and non-negotiable work that you must do, otherwise the concept of the 5 a.m. club will have no meaning. Doing heavy exercise in the first 20 minutes increases the flow of dopamine and serotonin, which boosts our overall metabolism level. As a result, your brain will function at its optimal level, allowing you to work in a focused and productive manner. Additionally, with a stronger immune system, your body will remain healthy and fit, significantly reducing your chances of falling ill. In the next 20 minutes, we can do 4 things to reflect on ourselves: journaling, meditation, prayer, and planning. This will help you stay positive, feel your awareness, and develop your wisdom. Doing any one of these 4 things will clear your thoughts, giving you a sense of peace, which will later be responsible for your higher creativity and stronger performance. The last 20 minutes of the victory hour, we need to spend on growing ourselves. During this time, we can analyze our goals, read books, listen to audiobooks and podcasts, meaning any activity that provides you with new information that is useful in your field. By practicing your victory hour daily in this way, you will definitely see a lot of improvement in yourself in a short time. Now I will tell you about one habit of history makers and elite performers that has become very rare these days, which is freedom from distraction. Today, mobile phones have become so addictive that wherever you look, people are stuck to their smartphones like zombies. We are currently living in an attention economy where social media and media production companies are profiting by using your attention. Like you, I also used to be under the illusion that the internet is free. But now I understand that it's not the internet that's free, it's us. If you look at some reports today, you'll find that web series and online content are earning more money than Bollywood movies, because they have realized that there's no need for a creator's 50-foot screen to edit people and ruin their creativity. A smartphone's mere 5-inch screen is enough. Friends, whether you believe it or not, we are being fooled in the name of the internet today. Today, things are being presented to you on the internet in such a way that everything seems useful to you, because they have a record of all your activities, what you do, what you like, what you dislike, what you search for, and they combine all these things. They tell you things in such a way that you can't control yourself and end up sticking to their platforms, swept away by emotions. After wasting several hours every day watching such other accessory things, remember one thing: hours make a day, days make a month, months make a year, and years together make up your life. So if your day is filled with hollow activities, how much value can it really have? You know this very well. Have you ever heard a successful startup founder or a company's C-suite person or celebrities say that they reached where they are today because they spent all day looking at others' photos on Facebook and Instagram? I used to watch serials for 3 to 4 hours, then movies, and play PUBG at night before going to sleep. And that's the secret of my success. So you would have never heard that because, my friends, with endless scrolling on the internet, a person can only follow it, not lead. Today, the world of the internet doesn't want to let you be free. It will keep sending notifications that someone uploaded a photo, like it, someone did this, someone did that, on social media. It doesn't want to let you think about yourself. Because maybe with just a little thinking, you'll realize how much of a slave to technology you've become. If you use technology for your improvement, or to share a positive message with the world, then that's good. But still, don't stick to technology all day. Use it only at specific times, and spend the rest of your time producing high-quality work. Because all history makers say that the secret to their success is freedom from distraction, meaning complete focus on work. The third big idea I learned from the 5 a.m. Club is the 3-step success formula, which says that if you stay aware, better results will automatically come to you. How? Let's understand the 3-step success formula, which says that better awareness will change your perspective on things. You will become open-minded, which will lead to better choices. You will be able to arrange your priorities well, which will definitely lead to better results. This means that better awareness leads to better choices, and better choices lead to better results. The fourth big idea I learned from this book is before interior empires. Just like when building a house, people spend more detailing and money on decorating the interior of their home than on the exteriors. Similarly, along with thinking about expanding the business, we should also build our 4 interior empires, which are mindset, heart set, health set, and soul set. Mindset is related to psychology, which we can build by learning from others. But still, you cannot grow by just building your mindset because it is only 25% of the interior empire. Along with mindset, you should also build your heart set, which is related to your emotions. Because a person who cannot control themselves cannot control anything. If you are irritable and get angry over small things, you need to learn how to control your emotions. And through this practice, your heart set will be built, allowing you to forgive others' mistakes and radiate love and peace. The third, what is health set, which you absolutely must maintain. No matter how much mobile data you have, if your phone is dead because it isn't charged, that data is of no use. But similarly, no matter how intelligent you are, if your health is not good, you won't be able to give your maximum effort. And the last one is soul set, which is directly related to spirituality. And we can only build it after improving the first 3 sets, which Maslow also mentioned at the top of his hierarchy of needs. If we start bringing improvement in these 4 areas, we can definitely make our life glorious. Because heaven and hell are not places that you can visit, but they are just states of being that you can feel. The fifth and last big idea that I learned from the 5 a.m. Club is the habit installation protocol. According to them, it takes a minimum of 66 days for any habit to become automatic. This comes after going through 3 slots of around 22 days each. These are destruction, installation, and integration, where in the first slot, the old habits in our brain break down. In the second slot, new habit pathways are generated. And in the last slot, once they integrate with our subconscious mind, the habit becomes an automatic habit. Robin Sharma says that any change is very hard at the start, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. Therefore, when you start the habit of waking up at 5 a.m., it will feel very hard at the beginning. Sometimes, it will feel boring and useless. But still, you have to keep starting all these routines and rules. Because the one theory of self-discipline pattern says that the person who regularly does important work, even when it's hard, is the one who becomes a true warrior. Muhammad Ali also used to say that he hated every minute of training, but he would still tell himself not to quit, to endure a little pain now and live the rest of his life like a champion. Friends, when the world is focused on improving external things, this is the best time for us to improve ourselves internally and present ourselves to the world. Today, many people around the world are glued to their smartphones, from morning till late at night. So this is the best time to showcase your talent to the world. Today you have GCA, which stands for Gargantuan Competitive Advantage. In today's world, where every second is filled with distractions, If you learn to focus and do your work, you will gain a significant competitive advantage. This is because at the ordinary level, there is tons of competition. But at the extraordinary level, there is almost none. Romit Sharma has spent a full 4 years working on his book, The 5 AM Club, and has given it a cinematic look that will feel like watching a movie. It contains many golden nuggets that will be very useful in your life. If you want to buy and read this book, I have provided the link in the description. Even if you don't read it, you can still wake up at 5 AM and instill some riches within yourself. Own your morning and elevate your life. Thank you.